Hello, this is Michelle Best, and this is a narrated video that goes over the instructional techniques of demonstration and small group activity. I call it The More We Hyperlink Together. This narrated video will provide a demonstration of how to create a group slideshow using Google Slides, show an example of a completed group slideshow, and participants will then each create one slide. So this is going to end up being a digital reference guide. We're all using this one document. Use the plus sign to add a new slide. Do not delete any slides. So the learning objective. By the end of this activity, we'll create a group reference of paperless classroom websites. Instructions. Each person will create one slide in this group slideshow. Use the plus sign, add a new slide, and choose the blank slide layout. Find a website that provides a paperless classroom ideas. Type the title of the website in a text box. Include a screen capture of an image of the website and hyperlink that image to the website. Include one quotation from the website. Make your slide colorful, attractive, and impactful. Be creative, and make sure the site you choose has not been done by someone else. So now I'll show you an example of what I mean. This was the same kind of activity done as a class, my grade 11 class. Their activity was to begin practicing their poetic terms. So they created posters using literary terms provided, and they had to format their posters based on these criteria. And so we can take a quick look at a few of them. So they had to put the term, a definition of the term, an example of the term. For example, onomatopoeia, word that imitates, resembles, suggests, sound that it describes, crash, boom, bang. And here are just some of the other ones that the students did. And in the end, we ended up with one complete document that everyone had contributed to. Okay, so now let's go and create our own document. So I'm going to add in a blank document. And then I'm going to go and find here. I did a search for paperless classroom. I like this image. I'm going to go to the website, starting with paperless classroom. So that's my title. Make this a little bit bigger. And then I'm going to find an image that I like, which happens to be this one. I'm going to use the snipping tool. Try again, I don't want the Pinterest. Okay, and I'm going to paste this picture, Control V or copy paste, onto my slideshow. I'll make this look a little bit nicer. And then I need to get one blurb from the website. Normally I wouldn't do this. I would say you need to write your own sentence about why you chose this website, and you have to cite with your APA, but we are pressed for time. A web whiteboard. Okay, so now I'm just going to make it a little bit nicer. I'm going to click outside of anywhere and get to the background. I'm going to make it, I'm feeling blue. And then I'll make sure that this isn't over on. And there it is, starting with the paperless classroom. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the site's URL. Click on my image, and this is where I insert a hyperlink. Paste the URL into that box, and now my picture is linked to the site. So if I click on present, when I click on this picture, it takes me to the site. So there it is, and you need to create your own, and good luck. I'll be taking a look at them when you're done.